bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Cats may sneeze uncontrollably due to a variety of reasons, including allergies, respiratory infections, or foreign bodies in the nasal passages. To address this, ensure your cat's environment is clean and free from irritants like dust or strong scents. If sneezing persists, a visit to the vet is crucial to rule out more serious conditions and receive appropriate treatment.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.